Hello everyone, this is Andrew Barrow from STCNC-Machining. Today I will show you a part and how we produce this part step by step. This is a stainless steel part. We make this part by 5 steps. The first step, we make both ends by CNC turning. Secondly, we use a 3-axis CNC machine to roughly process the part as shown in the photo. Thirdly, we use the 5-axis CNC machine to process this part. We keep the clamping position for the next turning process. The fourth step is to use the CNC turning milling combination machine to make this part, yes, and then cut these clamping positions. Why don't we use a 5-axis CNC machine to process the whole part instead of different steps, different machines? One of our consideration is that the turning machine can control the concentricity of the circular features better. The second consideration is that the processing time of the both ends is longer on a 5-axis CNC machine than that on a turning machine. The third consideration is that the material loss. Making it by the 5-axis CNC machines, we will need to prepare a larger square-shaped material. While we process it by 5 steps, and we just need to prepare a buff material with much smaller shape dimension. Different machine shops have their different capacity and different technical experiences, and based on our factory capacity and the technical experience, and by 5 steps we can make this part in more competitive price and avoid material loss. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.